Coming to you very soon, the live Why Work podcaster for a day sessions. First cab off the rank is the Human Factors and Ergonomics Society of Australia workshop in Brisbane of November 2024. Listen in, you might even hear yourself on this live episode.
Let me see, app. Let me see. Mine is scan leads. I think yours is like Connect Hub. Yeah, I think you get points or something, and then when tomorrow you get more when you come around the tables. I'll never remember how to find that either. Right, always a bit late getting in. Wes, I'm expecting a lot of chit-chat from you, by the way. I want that. And if you talk, you might be... after you intro, if you talk... You're up first.
Oh, okay.
You're up first. I want you both to be provocative. This is a provocative table.
A very special edition of the Why Work podcast will be coming to you shortly. Our live workshop series. Listen in and enjoy. And this could be a part of your workplace.